Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Gango.
Show my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Frank, the beekeeper.
Yeah, Mamelage, today is 16, ne?
Sure.
Today is my birthday.
Yes.
The birthday yam namhlanje.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I'm virtuous. For me, what's a present?
Yeah.
Lo 3 pointing sasho namanje bafethu 3 point bahlezi bebaningi kodwa abafani.
Yes.
3 point osemazingeni lona baba. U3 point wase Woolworth ngisaphinda.
Woolworth 3 points.
3 point wase Woolworth. Ya uyazini mfethu ukubethwa kade bekhona. The main reason iPirates winning.
Yeah.
It's just because kade engekho ushalulile, kade engekho uReynolds, kade engekho uAlende, kade engekho uJustin. uRibeiro kade bengekho.
Yes.
Ukube kade bekhona bebezowina.
Yes.
Aya mabhakaniya bafowethu. We are cruising nice. Into engisho bafowethu ukuthi hayi asibambe kanjani. Ningakhohlwa ichips idliwe. Shab up.